Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thiel Truck Center YouTube channel. I am Jim Thiel with Thiel Truck Center from Pleasant Valley, Iowa. We're located on the very eastern side of Iowa in an area called the Quad Cities, right along the Mississippi River and only 2 miles off of Interstate 80. So hey guys, today I want to walk you around this 2018 Ford F150 that just arrived. Super nice truck, silver in color, gray interior. It is a sport package. Let me walk you around this thing. So we got a sport package that's going to give you the painted bumpers, the nicer grille, nicer wheels. This one does have the factory steps. Sport package here. So hey guys, so what's rare about this? We have a 6.5 foot bed, a real man's bed, something that you can actually use, not one of those 4.5, 5.5 foot beds. This also comes with tow package and the tow mirrors. So this is a truck that you can actually use, guys. This isn't, you know, something you see running around town. If you actually got to do a job, this truck can still do it. But it is a F-150. It's got bucket seats and obviously three seats in the back. So if you got a family, 5, easily sit in this one. So it's got the 5-liter V8, great engine, known for longevity, known for its power. Low on maintenance, just a good engine. You know, these are just great trucks, these F-150s. So inside, let's take a look here. Again, we got the bucket seats with the center shift. Real cool seats here. Like you look at this kind of a neat pattern here. This one's got the screen with the backup camera. We got, like I said before, tow package. This one also has the trailer backup assist and trailer brake controller right there. Bucket seats, again, back seat there. Just a nice truck, guys. So 43,000 miles on this one. Just a nice truck. So still got the balance of the factory powertrain warranty to 60,000 miles. We're gonna price it right, guys. So 2018, it's only 43,000 miles. We got the 5-liter sport package, nice wheels. Just a great truck. 6.5 foot bed, does have the factory bed liner back there. We're gonna price it at $35,995, just under 36 grand. That's way under book. It's just a great value for this truck. So we've got more of these in stock. Look us up on the web, thieltrucks.com, Thiel trucks.com. You can give us a call at 563-424-2000. Hit that subscribe button there on your YouTube page. You know, we always are putting new trucks on, usually daily. And, you know, keep an eye on our inventory. We got some nice stuff. We put it on the money and it sells quick, guys. So, all right. Till next time, have a good one.